Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can delete all your posts on Facebook at once. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to delete your posts on Facebook all at once, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, next, I want you to go to the menu. And here on the menu, just scroll down until you see the settings and privacy option. Once you've found it, just go and tap it. And then go to settings. And once you're on settings, I want you to scroll down until you are on your activity section. And here on your activity section, you will now be able to see the activity log option, which is where you can see all your posts on Facebook, and this is also where you can delete it, so just go and tap it. And after that, I want you to select the public posts option. And right here, I want you to swipe this to the right and then tap the public button. And after tapping it, there it is guys, you will now be able to see all your posts on Facebook. So to delete all these posts at once, it's so simple, you just need to select this all option in order to select all your Facebook posts at once. And once all your posts are already selected, you can now tap the delete button right here. And after that, Facebook will ask you for confirmation if you really want to delete your posts, just tap this button to confirm it. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, all your posts on Facebook will now be deleted. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.